of potential solutions and innovations in the domain of supply chain security. With system engineering tools like trade off evaluations and feasibility audits, the goal is to sculpt solutions that efficiently navigate the identified challenges while balancing parameters like budgeting, technological prowess, time constraints, and regularity mandates. IBM's path could be significantly enhanced with the incorporation of scenario planning, a tool that could arm IBM with foresight, thus enabling anticipatory defense stratagems. Harnessing IBM's innovation hubs as crucibles for experimentation could further catalyze their preemption capabilities. The concept definition and prototyping concluding phases accentuates the detailed chiseling of the selected concept, delving deep with system engineering methodologies, structures such as system architecture designs, functional blueprints, and explicit requirements drafting come into play. The establishment of performance yardsticks and evaluate criteria underscores the importance of iterative validation in the security journey. IBM's endorsement of gold standard framework like the NIST cybersecurity framework and ISO supply chain risk management guidelines not only underscores their commitment to universal best practice but also paves the way for consistency security postures across the globe. Yet, a leap forward would involve IBM synthesizing these with bespoke guidelines tailored to their supply chain's unique idiosyncrasies. The engineering development stage is towards a resilient supply chain security model. The The engineering development stage is a pivotal phase in the system engineering. It involves the translation of identified requirements and selected designs from the concept development phase into workable solutions. This involves a series of steps from detailed design to and prototyping to testing and validation. Using IBM as our case study, we can further explore the intricate process of this phase. First, it must have detailed design and prototyping, including multi-layered security strategy and prototypes security solutions. And the next is integration and testing, including component integration and rigorous testing protocols. It also should have iterative feedback and refinement, which is composed by real-time monitoring and feedback, continuous improvement, and the next is documenting and training, including comprehensive documentation and training programs. It also has scalability and anticipating future challenges, which is done by design for the growth and future proofing. In conclusion, the engineering development staging IBM approach to supply chain security is a meticulous blend of design, testing, feedback, and forward thinking. This stage ensures that theoretical security concepts are transformed into tangible, effective, and evolving security measures that safeguard the integrity and continuity of IBM's vast global supply chain. After the engineering development stage is the post-development stage, which is mainly about ensuring longevity and adaptability in supply chain security. So first, they need the implementation and deployment. Um, about the deployment strategy, after testing and refining in the engineering development stage, IBM would roll out its security solutions systematically, giving its global operations a phased development across different geographies might be adopted to ensure seamless integration. And the next is stakeholder communication. Keeping stakeholders like suppliers, vendors, and even clients informed about new security implementations is crucial. So IBM ensures that there is clear communication about any changes and offers resources to help stakeholders adapt. IBM places a premium on transparency and stakeholder engagement by informing and educating stakeholders such as suppliers, vendors, and clients. IBM ensures smooth transition and fortifies trust in its security mechanisms. And the last step is monitoring and maintenance. In the continuous monitoring part, IBM employs a 724 monitoring system to keep an eye on its supply chain operations. Advanced AI and analytics tools alert the team to any anomalies, breaches, or potential vulnerabilities. With cutting edge AI and analytics, IBM maintains the round the clock uh, surveillance of its supply chain. This vigilance facilitates immediate response to any potential security lapses and thus minimizing the damage. The routine maintenance is about just as any system needs periodic maintenance, the security measures are regularly updated to fix any bugs, patch vulnerabilities, and optimize performance. Through scheduled system maintenance and updates, IBM not only enhanced the efficiency of its security uh, apparatus, but also preempts vulnerabilities that could be exploited. And now let's go into the conclusion part. The application of system engineering methods, particularly during the concept development stage, stands as indispensable tool for holistic managing supply chain security. Through the orchestrated use of stakeholder analysis, risk management, system architecture design, requirements engineering, and trade-off analysis, organizations can astutely navigate the multi-factor challenges intrinsic to supply chain security. These techniques imbue the security framework with systematic clarity, transforming abstract concerns into actionable defense strategies. In a sense, system engineering offers not just a method but a dynamic blueprint for ensuring the sanctity of supply chain security. IBM's commitment to these practices serves as a beacon illuminating the way of others in the industry. As threats evolve, so too must the strategies of the enterprises like IBM, showcasing the symbiotic dance between threat perception and strategic adaptation. It is also very important for organizations staying adaptable and agile. While having systems and processes is essential, the rapid changing landscape of threats means adaptability is the key. So the recommendation methods in supply chain security is including iterative review, collaborative defense, enhanced employee training, regular audits, and focus on endpoint security. In summation, while IBM's current supply chain security measures are robust, there remains room for enhancement. By integrating these recommendations, IBM can further solidify its defenses, ensuring a supply chain that is not just resilient but also ahead of the curve in anticipating and mitigating threats. And here is the future research and study field, which is mainly about investigate how scalable IBM's methods are, especially for smaller enterprises. Evaluate how AI and machine learning can be harnessed to proactively identify and counter emerging supply chain threats. Explore the economic implications, cloud security in supply chains, sustainability and security. And that's all for today's presentation. And thanks for listening.